This is a routine phacoemulsification of a grade 3 nuclear sclerosis. So after my initial incision and two side ports, I go ahead, put in some 2% HPMC and fashion my capsular Nexus with my bent 26 gauge needle. So this is my usual method of doing the Rexus. Very rarely do I use the forceps, but if needed you can use the forceps. So the Rexus seems to be going on pretty well, and that's done. I then go ahead to my hydrodissection and watch out for the posterior fluid wave. It's happened. I decompress and anyway I'm checking the rotation under HPMC with the dialer as well. And this is to also kick up the cortex, which makes cortical aspiration all the much the easier later on in the course of the surgery. I then go ahead and take my dialer in one hand and the phaco probe in the other, and I plan to do the direct chops in this case. So pretty simple cataract. So after aspirating the superficial cortex, I impale the nucleus and chop it with my dialer itself. There's the first chop, easily done. There is a bit of reverse pupillary block happening, but it's not that troublesome. I go ahead with the further chops as well. Just bring out, push back the iris and go ahead with the job at hand. And that's one heminucleus separated. Now to handle the other one. And these are all the quick chop method. And once I have 4 segments, I go ahead and aspirate them or emulsify and remove them. I then use my bimanual to go ahead and remove the cortex from all around the 360 degrees fornices of the bag. Then under HPMC I am placing my single piece hydrophobic lens within the bag. Just checking with the dialer. There seems to be some posterior capsular fibers also. I'll handle that as well. Just aspirating the visco from behind the lens. And then go in the vacuum mode and clean the posterior capsule as well. Make sure I remove all the HPMC, put in my intracameral antibiotic, hydrate the wounds, and conclude this session. Thank you for watching.